All right, so I'm going to show you how to install a VMware Workstation Pro. So VMware Workstation Pro. Now, there's kind of a slight problem, right? So if you go to VMware Workstation Pro, the website, the VMware website, they recently were bought out um by Broadband, I think, or Broadcom, right? I can't even find the link. That's how annoying this installation is. So here, hopefully this takes us right. Oh, actually, if you go back here, they're saying that Workstation Pro 17 for personal use is free. You go down here to VMware Fusion Pro download, okay? And this is going to take you to this Broadcom site. If you don't have an account, you're going to have to sign up for Broadcom, right? Um, so you sign up and then, you'll have to get verified and then you'll log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to My Downloads. Okay. And for my downloads, you're going to search for VMware Workstation. Right here it is, Workstation Pro. And you're going to try to download this version. And of course, it takes a while for it to find it. Here, Workstation Pro for Windows 17.5.2. I kind of like to go to the last version. Sometimes the newest version can cause some problems, so I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to try to download here. Now, I get this error. Account verification is pending. Please try after some time. I spent a lot of time trying to figure this out. What I ended up getting was finding a direct link to the software. So here, I'm going to send you guys, oops, Control V. This link will be in the notes. Okay, so you put this in here. This is going to give you access to 17.5.2 of Workstation. You're going to click on this link here, and that's going to download the tar. Okay. So this is the direct link to get there instead of having to do it all the way through Broadcom, which is the official way to do it. All right. So once you've downloaded it, I've downloaded a couple of them here, right? So, but once you've downloaded it, you'll see it's a tar. That means it's it's a compressed file. So you're gonna have to right click it, go to 7-zip. Hopefully you've had 7-zip, and you extract files. You can extract files here, that's fine. Um, I've already extracted it, so I'm just going to cancel it. Once you extract it, you should look for VMware Workstation, okay? VMware Workstation like this. And now you can double click this and you'll be able to install it. Okay, okay, another instance is already up and running, so hello, where is it? Let's see. Actually, don't see that it's up and running, but let's try it again. Okay, there it is. So now this is installing VMware Workstation Pro. Now, previously, I had to actually restart my computer. I guess something had to be installed. Um, if it does, just do what it says, and eventually you should be able to get to this VMware wizard. Okay. I am just gonna keep everything uh sure, sure. Install. Okay, and so now we're gonna wait for this to install. This part right now, the installation is taking a little while, so I'm going to pause it. All right, now the wizard is complete. I'm going to do finish. Okay. And if we look, the VM workstation should be installed. Hopefully. And we'll pick for personal use, continue, finish. All right, great. Now we have VM workstation here. Okay. This might pop up your software updates. I'm just gonna say remind me later for now. I'm gonna stick with 17.5.2. All right, the next thing I would do is I will actually install GNS 3 now. So in the instructions that you were sent or the lab, it actually tells you to do GNS 3 first. I think it's a good idea to try to have a VMware already installed before you do GNS 3. But anyway, so here's GNS 3. You can go to the software, right? And you go to free download. Okay, you do the Windows version, you download that. It's going to download here. Okay. Shouldn't take too long. I guess it is kind of a big file, but not huge. Okay, so once you have it downloaded, you'll where is it? Here it is, right? Okay. I already had a version downloaded, so you double click it. Okay. Here's the setup. I agree. GNS 3. I keep everything basically the same. And it's going to take a little while for it to install, extract, and do all the good stuff. Okay, it's complete. We do next. Gonna ask if you want solar winds. We say no. Funny little fact, solar winds had a huge hack a couple years ago. If you don't know about it, read on it. Huge, huge. Can't say enough about it. Okay, now we're gonna start GNS 3. So it's gonna start looking for a server, right? Um, I'm gonna go to settings. Basically, it's looking for the GNS3 server. Now, GNS3 right here, right? So there might be a GUI for you, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to use VM Workstation Player recommended, right? You can download the VMs that you need at this link. So I'm gonna copy this link location and I'm gonna put it also a GNS3 VM. Okay. And then here is the link, Control V. I actually already have it downloaded, so um I'm gonna open it up in VMware. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna open up a virtual machine. Okay. I'm gonna look for downloads. Here it is. Hmm. All right. So, the thing finally downloaded GNS 3. Here it is, right? So we gotta extract that because it's also compressed. Extract all or 7-zip, right? You can extract right here. Okay, it's going to take a little while for it to extract. All right, once it's extracted, all right, here is the VM workstation, right? So if we go back to here, right, we're going to open up a virtual machine. We're going to look for this GNS, no, not the VirtualBox one. So downloads, VMware workstation, and then this is it. I'm going to open it. Okay. We'll give it the same name, GNS3 VM. Actually, I'll just put VM. Import. Gonna import here in the workstation. Okay, while it's doing that, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna make sure this is enable GNS VM, VM workstation player recommended, VM name. Let's refresh this. I think we have to wait for it to import and start before we can move on. All right, so there's the VM. We're gonna just get it started. Okay, the following software is available for download. I'm just gonna download these and install. These are VMware tools for Linux. I'm assuming that there's something that you might need. Here we go. You see, once it started up, this VM popped in right there. Let's see. This should be starting up. Okay, yep, we do see GNS3 showing up on. Okay, yes, we're gonna make. Okay, so here it is starting up over there. Uh, it's probably already started. So I'm gonna press OK. Yep, I'm gonna press OK over here. Apply and OK. And here is this GNS3. And here it's lit up. So now GNS3 and the VM are connected. Okay. So that's how you get GNS3 and um GNS3 and GNS3, the VM working together. So you need two pieces of software, right? So I'm going to try to make it look a little neater so everybody can see. Right? Just so that you can understand. Okay, this is the VM, VMware workstation, and then here is GNS3. Okay, so they need to be working in in conjunction with each other. All right.